Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're viewing this show from. As it's always been, it's another exciting moment on Surrey Gold, sponsored by GOLDMINE AROMA. What we're doing today, see, you've been asking for this. Oh yeah, this is just purely organic yogurt. Don't tell anyone. So we're making yogurt today, organic, everything organic. So the sugar, look at it. This is 0 calorie sweetener blend, brown one, you know, and this is coconut on its flakes. No, let me just tell you the basic. We're making yogurt, so every other thing you see here are going to be toppings on it, right? So guys, let's make our yogurt. You pour your 1 jar, whatever jar, how many you want to make, on a pot and cook. Let it just boil. That's just it. Let's go make it. While we're doing that, see, this is my coconut. I will bake my coconut for 25 minutes on a 300-degree Fahrenheit. That's how I do. I like the topping. I like coconut flakes. So I usually mix it with almond. Don't worry, when I'm done, you see all the steps. So this is my brown sweetener. My sister that I'm making this for does not like sugar at all, so she better look for a sweetener alternative or whichever one is good. She doesn't mind if I didn't put anything. This is me that I say no, I have to make it sweet. Then I like the taste of lemon with my coconut flakes. When I'm baking it, I pour in some. This is the lemon juice. I pour it in and I turn it in and bake. So when I turn it in, I will just bake it on 200-degree Fahrenheit. That's just it, guys. For 25 minutes, guys. Coconut is ready. You see, I love my coconut mixed with almond. You can mix your own with cashew nuts. What I love doing all those almond nuts, cashew nuts. So guys, this is it. It's born. Lift it up the fire and pour it in a bowl so that it can cool off. Dang. Guys, just so you know, this is a whole organic milk yogurt. So at least for 1 gallon, which is a 5 liter, you do a half of it. So you pour in your yogurt in and turn it so well. Turn it well. Let it everything mix together. We're not doing no sugar now because we're gonna do a whole lot of fruit and coconut on it. So wrap it up. This is the yogurt, you know, so cultured away from. Guys, look at this. Dang! Look at this. Like I told you about the coconut and the almond, you actually see the work they are going to do now. You will love it. You will love it. Guys, these are just the toppings. Ooh. Guys, let me do some fruits and berries. These are my fruits and berries. Don't you just like this? And this is my fruit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. These are different kinds of fruits, you know. Can you see? That no sugar added to this. Your fruit is enough to sweeten it. So guys, this is my yogurt. All homemade, everything organic. So guys, like, subscribe, shares, push the notification button, doesn't cost. So that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be first to notify. It can only happen here, the best on the best on the best on the best. So let's see you in another video.